What's good, YouTube? Let me pick up again. I was here at Saturday from a couple of days ago. So yeah, I got the airplane project with cloth drops. Yeah. I'm gonna do a review on them. So just like bubbies. Yeah, here we go. Cloth drops. Bam. Perfect shoe. Cloth drops are one of the shoes out right now. See that? It's a good shoe. Let's go into here. Alright, so what's the cold hat here? They still gonna make the cold hat like a lot bigger now. See, I don't like if I hand on right there. Next, the other thing right here that comes out, good padded too. Penny logo. Perfect. Next, you got the other phone tab on the front right here. With a stripe, detailed stripe. These are official, so they have glosses, bottoms. Don't mind my subtitle. So good. Then you got the carbon fiber. Not sure if you can see it. Carbon fiber. Cherry. There you go. You can see it. Next. Then with the material right here. Let's go. Perfect. The shape of the shoe is not overly shaped, I'll say. Yeah, I missed some. With the carbon fiber right here on the side and on the bottom. Right, next. Here, got the tongue. Good padded tongue. Got the penny symbol right here, penny logo right there. Right here. Here, we'll see it though. Then we got the Nike swoosh. Right here. Nike swoosh. It's a little about next to a box. Next. Mesh. This is your mesh. Mesh. This is like real mesh right here. Next, perfect shoelaces, thick shoelaces, thick shoelaces. Next, let's see. Just one more thing about this shoe that I like about it. Inside, I forgot about the inside. But like on the sole, it's like on the sole it's like you can't see it kind of light in it, and on the sole it's just one person, and like sole is like a icy red. That's what I say, yeah, icy red. Oh yeah, with the zoom air right here. I'm not sure if you can see it though. Let me take the close on. Zoom air right there. Next, penny symbol right here, penny logo, symbol, logo, same thing. Well. No. The shape on these guys, pretty good. This is the show, so yeah. Lots of new pills soon, but like it's gonna pick up like a week. Like I like this carbon fiber though, but it's not one of the fake little carbon fiber plates. Here, and here, and feel. Real carbon fiber or real. No flaws about this show, so alright. Perfect. Wow. One more thing. Toolbox. Pretty good. Toolbox in here. Very good to show you. Alright. So, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.